Hello, and welcome everyone to this masterclass on preparing for a new school year, specifically focusing on college and university. I'm excited to embark on this journey with you as we delve into strategies and insights that will help set you up for a successful and fulfilling academic experience. Whether you are a first-time college student or returning for another year, this masterclass is going to help you with all the valuable tools to navigate challenges and maximize your potential. But first things first, let me introduce myself. I am Terrell. I want to equip you with all of the skills and resources you need to make this back-to-school season the best one yet. The beginning of a new school year is a crucial time that sets the tone for your entire academic journey. By investing the required time, effort, and preparation, you lay a solid foundation for success, growth, and personal development. Preparing for a new school year helps you to establish a positive mindset. It's an opportunity to leave behind any of those past challenges or setbacks and approach the upcoming year with renewed optimism and enthusiasm. By embracing this positive mindset, you open yourself up to all of these new possibilities and empower yourself to overcome obstacles along the way. This preparation is also going to help you to build confidence. When you do set aside the time to plan and set goals, you gain a sense of direction and purpose. This confidence spills over into your academic endeavors, empowering you to tackle challenges and take on new opportunities with confidence and belief in your abilities. You're not going to second guess yourself as much, and it might even be a help with imposter syndrome. This preparation directly contributes to your academic success. So by familiarizing yourself with the course requirements, reviewing the syllabus, and understanding the expectations of your classes, you set yourself up for effective learning and performance. When you're prepared like this, you can navigate coursework, exams, and assignments much more efficiently and effectively. Preparing for new school years also allows you to manage your time effectively. So by creating schedules, organizing resources, and setting priorities, you're going to be able to optimize your time and reduce the stress. This effective time management ensures that you allocate adequate time in your studies, extracurricular activities, and your personal life, and even some time for self-care. At the start of a new school year is also the opportunity to restart and cultivate healthy habits. By setting these routines, establishing self-care practices, and nurturing your physical and mental well-being, you foster habits that support your overall success and well-being throughout the year. Healthy habits contribute to more energy, focus, and resilience. So over the course of this masterclass, we're going to do this by first figuring out and learning how to start the school year off strong. The beginning of a new school year holds tremendous significance. It sets the tone for the months ahead and lays the foundation for your academic journey. By starting strong, you establish positive habits, build momentum, and position yourself for success. It's a time to embrace these new beginnings. The start of the new school year is an opportunity for you to start off fresh. It's a chance to leave behind the past setbacks or disappointments and approach the year with a renewed sense of purpose and enthusiasm. I really want to help you embrace the possibilities that lie ahead and the growth and learning that awaits you. We are going to go through and we're going to talk about cultivating a growth mindset. So that growth mindset is crucial to thriving in university and in college. By adopting a belief in your ability to learn and grow, you open yourself up to new challenges and opportunities. I want you to embrace the idea that your intelligence and skills can be developed through effort and perseverance. With this growth mindset, setbacks turn into more like stepping stones to success than they do failures, and it's so much easier to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and continue to move forward. We're also going to be learning how to set intentions and goals, and these will be the key to your success as a new student. Setting intentions and goals is a powerful practice, especially at the beginning of a new school year. They provide direction and focus, guiding your actions and your decisions. By identifying what you hope to achieve academically, personally, and even professionally, you can create a roadmap that will help you to stay motivated and on track. This masterclass is designed to provide you with a comprehensive guide to preparing for this new school year. We will cover various aspects of college and university life, from goal setting and time management to study skills and self-care. Each of these sections is packed with practical strategies and tips to help you make the most of your college experience. It comes along with a workbook that will help you implement these habits step by step. Using this comprehensive framework will help you to avoid overwhelm during this already stressful time. To make the most of this masterclass, I do encourage you to actively engage in the content. Take notes and reflect on how the strategies and insights apply to your own situation, and be open to trying new approaches. Remember, this masterclass is a resource, but the real transformation comes from your own actions and commitment. I hope you feel inspired and ready to embark on this journey of preparing for a new school year. In the upcoming units, we'll delve into specific topics that equip you with the knowledge and skills to excel academically, maintaining a healthy work-life balance, and prioritize your well-being. In the next section, we are going to uncover how to set goals. We'll explore the significance of setting academic and personal goals, strategies for setting realistic and achievable goals, and aligning them to your long-term aspirations. So let's continue on a journey towards a successful and fulfilling college experience. This masterclass is available exclusively to the members of the Absolutely Studying Academy. If you do want more information, there will be a link down below in the description box. For everyone else, I will see you in Unit 2, where we discuss the goal setting, and until then, I hope you have an amazing adventure.